Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this ride on toy manufactured by Panda Baby Products. The box of this rider includes the main body, a steering wheel and a backrest.
First, open the cell cap on the steering and insert 2 AA batteries in the slots present.
Unscrew the washer as shown in the video. Place the steering wheel as shown and then tighten the screw. Take the backrest and insert it in the slot as shown in this video. Now, take the main body, open the storage compartment M and unscrew the cell cap present there. Insert 2 AA batteries in the slots for light and sound. Now this Hummer rider is ready for your little one to ride.